Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vestige Spirulina Capsules full guide. Open the bottle, check the label, and take the recommended 2 capsules with water after a meal. Start with the suggested dose and observe how your body responds over a week. If you have allergies or medical conditions, consult a healthcare provider before continuing. Keep consistent timing each day to build a routine and track any changes you notice in energy or digestion. Spirulina often supports energy, nutrients, and overall wellness when taken consistently. Start with the recommended dose and give it time to integrate into your routine for visible benefits. Keep an eye on how you feel after each dose and note any minor digestive changes that typically resolve. If you experience intense allergic symptoms or unusual reactions, stop use and seek medical advice. Consistency and patience are key to assessing effectiveness. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: I love the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for keeping kitchen crumbs and supplement bottles tidy, and it even responds to voice commands for hands-free cleanup. Check the description for the link and special deals to upgrade your clean routine. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Safety matters when adding supplements to your routine, so check with your healthcare provider if you are pregnant, nursing, or taking prescription medication. Choose reputable brands and inspect product seals and certifications to minimize contamination risk. Start with the suggested dose and pause if you notice severe symptoms, such as difficulty breathing or hives. Keep supplements out of reach of children and store them as directed to maintain potency and safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.